So, dear students of class 12th biology, in this lecture we will discuss about a chapter, a topic of chapter human health and disease, that is cancer. So, what is cancer? Firstly, we talk about the definition of cancer. So, cell division, we know about cell division in previous class 11th. We also talk about the two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a equational division, and meiosis is a reductional division. So, cell division is a normal process in an organism for growth and development of organism. But cell division is controlled by a regulatory mechanism. When control mechanism is lost, cell grow and divides in an uncontrolled manner. So, this rapid abnormal uncontrolled division of cell is called cancer. So, cancer causes tumors. The uncontrolled cell growth produces a mass of cells which are called tumors. So, tumors, benign tumors, it remains confined to its original location. They do not invade the surrounding animal tissue. Second is malignant. Benign is also known as non-malignant. These tumors are commonly designated as cancer. Malignant tumors are derived from single cell. They do not remains localized and are able of both invading surrounding tissue. Please note down. Types of cancer. First is carcinomas. This is the malignant tumors. The red form. Epithelial cells of ectoderm and endoderm. About 90% of human cancer are carcinomas. Second one is sarcomas. Sarcomas are tumors of connective tissue like muscle, bones. Third one is lymphomas. This represent the excessive production of lymphocytes. And last one is leukemia. This represent neoplastic growth of WBC. It is commonly known as blood cancer. Please note down. Last topic of this last topic of this last point of this topic, that is treatment of cancer. First is surgery. Second is chemotherapy. And third is hormonal suppression. So now our chapter topic is completed here now. Remaining part of this chapter will be discussed in our next video lecture. So please keep watching this video peacefully and carefully. And whatever doubts you may ask, my personal number, contact number, WhatsApp number. And cancer is an important topic. We'll discuss about cancer definition. The normal cell is converted into abnormal cell. Types of tumor, benign tumor, malignant tumor. Benign tumor is also known as non-malignant. Types of cancer: carcinomas, sarcomas, lymphomas, leukemia. In carcinomas, this is a malignant tumor derived from epithelial cell of ectoderm and endoderm. About 90% human cancers are carcinomas. Sarcomas sarcomas, tumors of connective tissue like muscle, bone, cartilage, lymphomas represent excessive production of lymphocytes, and last one leukemia, this is neoplastic growth of WBC, and is commonly known as blood cancer. And the last treatment of cancer, surgery, chemotherapy, hormone suppression. So please watch this video peacefully and carefully. Thank you so much for watching this video.